Okay, I think this one here is a point. Looks broke. Decent point, tip's gone. Went to a different field, found a bunch of brokes. Tip, bottom, and another tip. There's another broken one right here. That would have been a nice one. Nice blade or something. Well, I already pulled these out of the ground. I didn't think they were nothing. They were both side by side. This here, a big scraper, I think. There's a point of some sort. Not broke anywhere. It's got one notch on this side. So the back's all worked. It's a nice point. I don't know what the hell it is. I think I just found something else. Just another broken tip. Crooked. That's what it is though. Here's another point. And just the corners broke right there. Here's a nice one. Damn. I don't know what they call these things. You guys will have to tell me that. It's whole. Here's another point. I think that's the tip broken off, I think. Yeah, this was the base. Back here. That would have been a nice one. Well, I just found one of the tiniest points I've ever seen. I haven't found very many little points. Man, I hope it's whole. Yes! Look at that little thing. Another point. Looks like it might be whole. Triangle, I think. Oh, it's whole. Oh, we're out here today with arrowheads. A couple of my buddies out here with me. Commissioner Tom, and I think I just found another triangle. This field is polluted with triangle points. I love it. Ooh, nice pointy. Corner's broke. Other than that, it's a pretty nice one. Might not even be broke, might be. No, it's broke. Here's one my buddy just found.
Okay, yep, we walked over and we got another one on the ground here. This one's not a triangle. Looks like probably a early woodland, late archaic point. Yep. Hey, anytime you guys want to go hunting with me, you're welcome to come along.
Cool. Here's the triangle that Commissioner Tom just found. It's a nice one. Real nice and whole. Same thing we've been finding in this field. Okay, here's a cleanup of yesterday's finds. All these up here on the top, them are all broken triangles. Here's a decent, what would have been a decent blade, broken. There's another broken triangle. Big old base, something. There's a cool little scraper I found. It's all worked on the bottom edge.
Shut up.
As you can hear, my parrot's very talkative this morning. It's a pretty cool knife. Really translucent. Real nice. It's not broke anywhere. It's worked the whole way around it. This one, I think this was an Ohio Lancelot. You guys can tell me what you think. And then it got broke and they reworked it because the whole top's reworked like that.
Hello? Hello? Sorry. Hello?
This would have been a really nice blade. Well, it still is, but would have been nicer if it was whole. Look at all the colors in there. I'm not sure, but this here looks to me like it is possibly half of a flint celt.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Shut up.
It broke.
Hi. Love you. Hello?
There's a cool little white one with the corner missing. Man, I hope you guys can hear me over this bird. This thing's driving me crazy.
Hi, baby.
That's what she does when she knows I'm awake in the morning.
What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Wow.
There's a big old rough triangle.
Shut up. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Here's that little tiny bird point I found. Here's that weird point with one notch. You guys, anybody knows what this is, let me know. It's not broke anywhere. It's whole. Just got one notch on its side.
Hello? Did you say hello? No. Here. What? Come on. Come on.
Another broke. Here's this crazy looking Hopewell point. I like this point a lot. Here's a cool triangle. This one's almost perfect. Tiny little chip on the corner right there. Good enough for me. And this one here is perfect. There's nothing wrong with this one. Another one with a corner missing. And I really like this one. Oh shit. Dropped it. Alright. This one's kind of got a little bit of a serrated blade on it. I really like this one. Too bad that corner's gone right there. This was my favorite one. I think that's everything. Just all this stuff here. These are all broken tips. It's just a big old work scraper or something here. A big old, real big midsection. Oh, I found this button out in the field. I can't read what it says. Another scraper. Big tip. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.